Good morning to all. Myself Pratibha Chaudhary. Students, today we read about adjective in our class. We read adjective and its kind in chapter number 8. Let us forward to our chapter. We discuss about adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies or describes the noun or pronoun. For example, Ram is a brave boy. To be brave is the quality of Ram, since Ram is a noun, hence brave is an adjective. Number second, Sumit is an intelligent boy. In this sentence, the word intelligent qualifies the quality of the noun Sumit. Let's discuss about kinds of adjective. Number 1 is adjective of quality. Number 2 is adjective of quantity. Number 3 is demonstrative adjective. Fourth one is interrogative adjective. Fifth one is distributive adjective. Sixth is adjectives of number. And the last is possessive adjective. Let's look into them one by one in detail. Number 1 is adjective of quality. An adjective of quality describes the quality of a person, place, animal or thing. So for example, fox is a clever animal. The fox is a clever animal. Here, what is the quality of fox? That she is clever. Now come to our second kind, adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity shows the quantity of a thing. We read through an example. For example, is there any rice in the pot? Here the word any shows the quantity of indefinite rice which the pot have. Now we come to third part, demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is used to point out which person, animal, place or thing is referred to. Note word point. For example, this box is very heavy. As I have told you that demonstrative adjective point out the thing. So in this sentence, the word this point out the box about which we talking about, that it is very heavy, or we can say that the word this point out a particular box. Second sentence is these books are not in good condition. These books are not in good condition. The word these point out some particular books that are not in good condition. Fourth, interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective is used to ask a question. In this sentence we ask a question. For example, which train is late? Here the word which comes before the word train, which is asking a question. Same as second sentence, whose bicycle is this? The word whose comes before the noun bicycle, and whose word is used to asking a question. Fifth is distributive adjectives. A distributive adjective is used to refer to the persons or things for a group taken one at a time. For example, every country has a national flag. In this sentence, the word every indicates each country has its national flag. Now, sixth is adjectives of number. An adjective of number indicates the exact number of persons, places, animals or things. Please note the word exact. For example, there were 26 people at the party. So we are talking about exact number, that is 26. How many people present at the party? In this sentence we are talking about exact number 26. Last is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective shows relation between particular person, place, animal or thing. For example, your sister is my friend. My book is on the table. That is his book. Now look at in this sentences, your sister. Here the word your qualifies the noun sister. Here the word my qualifies the noun my. They show relationship between your sister is my friend. So your sister and my friend. Second, my book is on the table. It shows the relation that my book is on the table, that the book is on the table. So the word my qualifies the noun book. Where is the book? The book is on the table. That is his book. Whose book is this? That is his book. So the word his here qualifies the noun book. Here the words your, my and his are possessive adjectives. So students, I have completed this chapter. Come to some uses of few adjectives. Number 1 is some, any. Use some in positive sentences. Use any in negative and interrogative sentences. Use some in interrogative sentences when we offer thing. As we students, what we have learned? Some with positive sentences or we use with affirmative sentences, and also in interrogative sentences when we offering something to someone, and we use any in negative and interrogative sentences. For example, there is some ice in the fridge. As you can see, there is some ice in the fridge. This is positive sentence, or we can say affirmative sentence. Here we use some. In second sentence, is there any book on the table? Is there any book on the table? Students, this is interrogative sentence and we use adjective any. Third one is, will you have some coffee? In this sentence we use adjective some because it is interrogative sentence or we offer thing to someone, so we use adjective some here. Okay, let's come to few, little. Few is used with plural countable noun and little is used with single uncountable noun. Here we will discuss about the difference between few, a few, the few, and little, a little and the little. Now both the words few and little have same meaning, but few is used with plural countable noun and little is used for single uncountable noun. They both are used for negative sense, and we can say used in negative sense, which shows insufficiency of the noun for which few, little is used. For example, she has few friends in the city. She has friends, few friends, hardly any friend in the city. She has little money. Word little is single uncountable noun used with single uncountable noun. Here the word money is uncountable noun. She has little money. She has money but in less amount, which is insufficient to her. Now we come to a few adjectives. Both the words are used to create a positive sense, and it shows the sufficiency of noun for which a few and a little is used. Although the thing is in lesser quantity, but it is sufficient. We read through example. Number 1 is there were a few students in the class. In this example, although the number of students are less but are sufficient to the class. In number 2, she has a little money. In this sentence, although she has less amount of money but is sufficient to her. Now we come to the few, the little. These words are used to show that the things is in whatever amount, all that is left. For example, the few friends he has are studying abroad. In this example, she has few friends. We don't consider the quantity of friends, but the few is used here to show the all the friends has left or not there. In second example, she has spent the money she had. In this example, we don't know what amount of money she had, but whatever the amount she has had been spent. Now we come to our exercises. Exercise number 1. Pick out the adjectives and tell their kind. In this exercise, first we have to read these sentences and then pick out the adjective and tell their kind. First number, you can take any book from the bookshelf. Here the word any is an adjective which shows the quantity of books that the bookshelf have. From the bookshelf, here bookshelf have. So this shows the adjective of quantity. Number 2, science seems to be an interesting subject. Interesting, the word interesting shows the quality of the word science, which is adjective of quality. Every word of his is untrue. Here the word every is an adjective, distributive adjective. Number 4, Suman helps her mother in cooking. Here the word her is an adjective. Which adjective is this? Yes, possessive adjective. The lion is resting inside his den. Here his, the word his is an adjective which is of possessive adjective. Whose book is this? In this sentence, the word whose is used to asking a question. The word whose comes before the noun book. That is interrogative adjective. Which story are you going to write? In this sentence, we also ask a question. So this is interrogative adjective. We have had enough exercises. The word enough shows the quantity of exercises that he have had. So it is adjective of quantity. Now we move to our next exercise. Complete the given sentences with suitable adjectives. Students, we have to read the sentence and fill the blanks by adding suitable adjectives. Number 1 is Mumbai is a dash city. Which type of a city is Mumbai? Large. She is an dash girl. Honest girl. Here the word an is article, so we have to add adjective according to this. Science seems to be an dash subject to me. Here N is also an article, so here we fill the blank according to this article. So we fill interesting here as adjective. Swimming is a dash exercise for health. Good. There are dash mistakes in your writing. Many. This plant is losing dash leaves. Its dash book are you searching for? Which dash mangoes are sour? These mangoes are sour. Now our third exercise is write 4 more adjectives of each kind. Here kinds of adjectives are given to you. We have to write some adjective of each kind. One example is given to you: delicious, quantity, some, distributive, every, adjective of number is fifth, and possessive, his. Adjective of quality: lazy, good, black, golden. These are all qualifying words which shows the quality. Number second, adjective of quantity: some, much, little, enough. They show the quantity of anything. Each, either, neither. These are of distributive adjective. Here any is also a kind of distributive adjective. Now adjective of number: 1, 2, first, fifth. It shows exact number. Number fifth is possessive adjective: my, her, its, their. Now we come to D. Form adjectives from the given nouns. Here some nouns are given to you. We have to form adjective: desire, desirable, nerve, nervous, faith, faithful, envy, envious, labor, laborious, child, childish. Students, have you learnt all these words we studied in our chapter? Similarly, care, careful, honor, honorable, help, helpless, Nepal, Nepali, fool, foolish, honesty, honest. Fifth exercise: choose the best option to complete the following sentences. Number 1, only dash students could answer the question. Here some options are given to you for your help. In this sentence you can see students is an countable noun. We can count it. A few, the few, a little. We have already studied these in our chapter. So let's move to a few. We used a few is used for sufficient amount. The few we used for are used to show the thing is in whatever amount all that is left. A little is used for uncountable noun. That is incorrect for this sentence, so we cannot fill it. So we fill a few in this because we are talking about those students could answer the question, although lesser amount, but it is sufficient to it. There is very dash sugar in my tea. Here we fill little. He will give me dash money, some. As you can see, it is affirmative sentence, so we fill here some. There is dash milk in the pot. A little milk in the pot. don't make. You can see don't make. From these words we can assume that it is a negative sentence. So we use here any. Don't make any noise here. There isn't dash water in the jug. It is also a negative sentence, so we use here any. There is still dash time left for the arrival of the train. Here we write enough. Dash knowledge is always dangerous. A little knowledge is always dangerous. Dash men reach the age of 100 years. Few men reach the age of 100 years. Dash money that I had was spent on my clothes. The little. As I have told you, the little is used to show that the things is in whatever amount all that is left. So we put here the little. Okay students, I hope you all understood this chapter. Thank you students.